Welcome back. Well, big boy Reliance Industries will be reporting its fourth quarter numbers tomorrow. So it's that big D-Day with respect to RIL. Sonia is standing by with all of the key expectations. Sonia?
Well, it's a big day. Reliance Industries is all set to announce its Q4 earnings. Remember, the stock is down 7% in 2023 so far, but it's a decent quarter expected this time around. First, let me take you through all the key numbers that you can watch out for. On the revenue front, it's about an 8.5% growth that we're looking at compared to last quarter. While on the EBIT, the EBITDA could see a growth of around 5.2%. Margins could be a tad bit under pressure compared to what Reliance did last quarter. But on the profitability front, it's a 12% growth that we're looking at somewhere around 17,700 crores. Now, as I said, both the consumer as well as the commodity businesses for Reliance Industries have done decently well this time around. First, let's take a look at the oil to chemicals business, which is a key reason for the recovery this quarter. There's a sequential recovery that we're expecting for a couple of reasons. A stronger base gross refining margins and lower windfall tax is something that can aid this segment for them. In fact, looking at the gross refining margins, Singapore gross refining margins improved to $8.2 a barrel in Q4 compared to $6.3 a barrel last quarter. There's also a demand improvement seen because of the China reopening, and that has aided the numbers this time around. In the consumer-facing businesses, Reliance Jio has slowed down a tad bit, so we are seeing the revenue and the profitability growth moderate for them. In fact, it could be the lowest in the last 7 quarters. On the average revenue per user as well, it could be absolutely flat this time around at 178 rupees. A couple of reasons for the slowdown, but primary reason is that there's been an absence of a tariff hike, and that has caused Reliance to see a slowdown in its growth rate in the telecom business. Let's move to retail now. Retail growth is expected to be about 6% on a sequential basis, coming in at a little over 46,650 crores. These are the recommendations put out from Nomura. And on the EBIT side, we're expecting about 3,800 crores versus 3,600 crores last quarter on a sequential basis. So clearly, as you've seen, there's a decent growth expected. Some of the businesses like RIL Jio could see a bit of a slowdown, but it could be offset by good growth in the oil to chemical space.